Here is a Mode 6 video or example we want to show you. This is a 2001 Ford
Explorer Sport Track.
Thank you. With a 4.0.
With a 4.0.
Now there's no trouble codes, but we at least want to show you some Mode 6 data that will be helpful in the event you maybe had a cylinder misfire.
Okay, so when you're in ProDemand, you want to go to your service manual, which will pull up this slide right here. When you go to Engine Performance and open up that tab, you will see Mode 6. When you click on this, it'll open up these little sections right here. What we're going to be looking at today is going to be the misfire monitor. When we go ahead and click on that and make that full screen here, it's going to show you what the different identifications are in Mode 6 to find it. So what we're going to be looking for today is the misfire specific to each cylinder. So right here we've got our snap-on tool. What you're going to want to do is go onto the generic OBD2 side, and we're going to go OBD2 direct. And we're going to go to diagnose and start communication. Once it has begun communication with the vehicle, what you're going to do is look for the dollar signs, which are classic for modes, and we're going to go to Mode 6, which is the onboard monitor systems, which is where you will find misfire data on Fords. So if we come back over to this screen over here, you'll see that number 53 is going to be the cylinder specific. So we'll scroll down to $53 and open that up. Now what you'll see here is these little paragraph increments broken down of each cylinder. Each cylinder is labeled as $sign and a number 1, number 2. We have a minimum and a maximum value. There shouldn't be any misfires, so that's why they are both as 0. And below that you'll see the result of passed. Now as we scroll down, you'll see 3, 4, 5, and 6. But since Ford also makes V8s, you will also see an option for 7 and 8. And you will notice that the minimum and maximum values are 0 and 13,478, and both of them show a failed position. That is because this is only a V6 motor and not a V8. So even though Mode 6 is capable of reading that, that calibration is not built into this vehicle because it is not a V6.
Perfect. The reason this is valuable is Ford, up until about, I can't remember if it's 2010 or 12, did not give any misfire counters. I believe they do now, but this is how we have had to find misfire per cylinder on Ford products prior to that time.